Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, I thought I would step back and give you a little bit of a recap of the analysis that I gave you on Monday afternoon. Always makes sense to go back and kind of think these through, especially in situations. Our closing price on Monday was here at 87, and I'd made the comment that I thought we would go on and get the double O. Now, for 2 days, we do have to have a little bit of a pullback. But what is the focus around this double O area, the 4,500? Well, a lot of it is driven around the witching expiration. So these witching expirations only show up 4 times a year, and most of the time you're going to see price oscillate around them, essentially in an effort to, everyone that bought the $4,500 call, all of those to expire worthless, everyone that bought the $4,500 put, for all of those to expire worthless. And then once that quarterly, expiration all decays, falls off, and we move in through the weekend, you can get a big reset. So it's essentially just thinking this was the bounce that I was telling you was probably going to come through for the expiration into Friday. I think we're going to see more of that. The move that I would like to see, if it plays out, of course, I'll be flexible and work with whatever the market gives me. But if we could pop up here and get 45.18, I think that would do a good job of completing that bounce idea. And then into the end of the session, I would try to play it back lower. So that's a lot of if this, then that. And of course, tomorrow may not open that way at all. You've got Adobe earnings, so that may be part of what is moving tech. But I at least wanted you to be aware of that roadmap. Another thing that you may want to look at, and this is a little bit of a one-off, and will largely depend on how the auto workers strike goes. But I'm just curious if this setup in Carvana is going to be something worth watching tomorrow. You've got a pretty clear previous swing high here at 57.19. And just what I'm thinking is that if it is that type of a momentum day and you can clear the 57.19, there might be a trade in picking up the $60 calls. You pick up those for either the 0 DTE or do it for next week's expiration and then look for a target at about 62.5. So a little bit of hurry up and wait in the S&P, a little bit of theta decay for tomorrow, and then if we get the chance to play this directionally, those are a few spots that I would like to be. So I hope that's helpful. You guys have a great expiration, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.